Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your VW Golf door lock. First, gather your tools. You will need a Torx screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, and a small pick tool. Of course, have your new door lock module ready. A clean cloth and a safe, well-lit workspace are also essential for a smooth repair process. This ensures you have everything at hand before you begin. Now, let's remove the door panel. Begin by locating and removing the two Torx screws, typically found behind the door handle and along the bottom edge. Next, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry off the plastic trim surrounding the inner door handle. Disconnect any electrical connectors for the window switch and door handle. Finally, unclip the door panel from its retaining clips and lift it straight up to remove it completely. With the door panel off, you can now access the lock module. Gently peel back the vapor barrier to reveal the internal door components. You will see 3 Torx screws holding the door lock module in place. Remove these. Disconnect the electrical connector and the 2 Bowden cables attached to the old module. Carefully slide the faulty module out and then insert your new replacement module, ensuring it seats correctly. It's time to reassemble and test. First, reconnect the 2 Bowden cables and the electrical connector to your new lock module. Secure the module with its 3 Torx screws. Carefully reattach the vapor barrier, ensuring a good seal. Now, reinstall the door panel by aligning its clips and reattaching all electrical connectors. Before fully tightening everything, thoroughly test the door lock, window, and handle functions to confirm your repair is successful.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.